Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get highest score in Vita Mahjong's classic mode on your phone. Let's get started. First, open the Vita Mahjong app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're on your homepage, tap on label to start your game. Start by looking for free tiles. Or tiles is free if nothing is blocking its left or right side. Matching free tiles first help you unblock more moves and avoid wasting tabs, which keeps your score high. Always remember top player's tile before lower players. This opens hidden tiles underneath, giving you more opportunities for matches and combos. Clearing layers quickly helps increase your combos bonus, which adds more points. Combos are key to maximize your score. Try to match tiles in sequence without pausing too long. The more matches you make, the higher your combo, which boosts your point rapidly. Power-ups like Hints Shuffle can help increase your score if you use smartly. Hints keep your combo going. Shuffle opens new matching opportunities. Use them at the right time. Maximize these points without breaking your rhythm. Don't just match the player you see. Think a few moves ahead which tiles will remove to unblock more matches or combos. And that's it. By focusing on free tiles, clearing top layers, creating combos, using power up wisely, and planning moves ahead, you can maximize your score in Vita Mahjong classic mode on your phone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.